how to share from NanoBanana.AI to Instagram. In today's video, we are going to learn how you can share from NanoBanana.AI to Instagram, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get it started. So the first thing that you have to do is go to your phone, open your preferred browser, and go to the web browser of the NanoBanana.ai. Once you're inside it, simply log into your account. Then what you have to do is give it a prompt and get an image like this. If you are confused on how you can create the image using the NanoBanana.ai, you can see my previous videos. So without a delay, let's get into how we can save the photos from NanoBanana.ai to the Instagram. So here you can see the output gallery, the place where you can see the output or the results of the prompt that you have given to the NanoBanana.ai. And just below the image, there you can see an option called download image. So currently there's no option to directly share the photo to the Instagram feature, but you can still share your creation very easily. For that, what you can do is simply tap on this download image right over here, give it a tap. Then once it's saved, open the Instagram. Let's go to the Instagram. I have already downloaded it. So here it is. Once you're inside the Instagram, simply tap on this plus icon which is right over here. And here you can post it either in post, story or the reel as you like. Let's keep it in the reel for now. It's right over here. So here it goes. Now you can add the caption, filters or the tags as you like, and then you can just tap on the next, then add the details about it and share it out. So that's the simple way to share from NanoBanana.ai to Instagram. Just download your creation and upload it to the Instagram app. I hope this video was helpful. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.